Welcome to Mike Golden Games and welcome back to another Jeep video. So a few days ago I washed the Jeep because I had to get my tires rotated. It rained last night and look at what rained down on me. I don't even know, like these damn chemtrails, guys. These damn chemtrails, look at this. I'm being sarcastic, but maybe not, I don't know. I really don't know, like this literally was rained down upon me. I went to Dunkin' Donuts before I got my tires rotated, and all the cars next to me had the same issue. So I don't know what the heck this is, but I'm gonna wash it off. I'm gonna clean the tires off some more. Still a little dirty. I tried to clean them off a few days ago. Like I said, so much dirt and dust on there. It's just kind of caked on there. So we're gonna try and scrub it off, get it all wet with soap, and we'll see if we can get it all nice and clean. Got everything up and ready to go. Just gonna take a look at the Jeep really quick, see how she looks. We'll go in for a quick close one so you can see just how much dirt and grime there is. Like this literally happened last night. The day before she was perfectly clean and shiny. No idea, you know, why there's so much dirt in the rain. That's kind of scary when you think about it. There should not be that much crap in the water that's coming down on us. But anyways, let's get around this way. Looks pretty freaking beautiful. I love these BF Goodrich KO2s, by the way. They're really good tires. All right, let's get her started up here. So here's my power washer that I got last summer from, you know, Harbor Freight, as you do. And because the extension cord doesn't run so far, I'm just gonna be using this little generator from, again, I believe it was Harbor Freight. Go grab a sponge now so I can kind of wipe it off and make sure we get all that dirt off. So much dirt and dust just coming off. This is nasty. It might be a little hard to tell, but there's still some mud caked on there, so I'm gonna have to give it some more good scrubbing. But basically, you can see this brake dust and crap is just stuck on here. Look at that, I'm scraping it off with my nail. So we're gonna need to, clean this off some more. Right in here, you can see all this dirt. Look at that. Alright, looking freaking good. Got her all cleaned off. She's still wet. I'm just gonna let her air dry. I mean, typically you want to use a towel, like a microfiber towel, but I got everything sprayed off because, you know, it's the first basically almost warm day of spring, you know, just after winter. So gotta get everything cleaned off and washed. The winterizing, I don't know how good of a job it did, but overall everything looks good. She looks really clean. You know, using that sponge really does help. That sun is bright, but that looks good. Let's get around to this side, look at the tires. There's some, you know, really caked on dirt. So this should have really helped. It looks like it did. As you can see, you know what, there's still some on there. It's just like caked on there. So I'm gonna have to think about doing something else. Maybe just a brush instead of a sponge. I don't know, we'll see. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments below. But like in here, it's just, look at that. Ugh, it's nasty. I think that's just brake dust. But yeah, it's still got some gook on here. I don't want to use anything too harsh because it could damage the rubber. And these are expensive tires. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. You know, just had to clean off the Jeep, get her ready for spring because it's really the first warm day. And I'm probably going to try to finally install that lockbox. I got some seat risers for it. That's going to be another video. I did order some stuff for a new horn as well. So I'm going to be doing another video on that. I'm not sure when I'm going to get to that one. Maybe I'll work on it today, maybe not. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Have a great day, guys, and see you next time.